Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart.
Hey guys, it's officially my first day back to school. And I'm really fucking tired, holy shit. I'm getting ready right now. I'm so tired. I haven't been to school in like over a month. So I'm not used to waking up so early, cause like I don't wake up early. I slept early last night. I slept at like 1, and that's pretty early for me, cause I always sleep at like 3 o'clock. I'm probably gonna grab some coffee before this. I don't know if I said that, but I'm definitely gonna grab some coffee, cause I have 4 like back-to-back classes. I'm so tired. I don't know if you guys can hear by my voice, but I'm so tired. I'm debating if I want to wear makeup today. Like, should I? I'm probably not gonna wear that much makeup because like I don't really ever wear that much makeup. So this is kind of like a get ready with me, but honestly I don't do much, so it's gonna be very uneventful. My last thing I'm gonna do is put some mascara on my bottom lash. For my bottom lash, I use this mascara. I don't know, it's by Wander. I got it in a BoxyCharms box, so it's nice. I like it. I started doing mascara on my bottom lash because I feel like it makes me look more awake. Okay guys, so that is my makeup for the day. It's not much. I go to school with like barely any makeup because I'm lazy, so yeah, that's happening. So this is my outfit I'm gonna wear. It's like some gray leggings, a bralette, a hoodie, and this big fur coat because I don't know, it's probably gonna be cold in class and it's cold outside. So yeah, I'm gonna wear all of that now.
Wait, am I recording? Yeah.
I think so. I fucking stop losing it. Good content. Hey guys, update. I just finished my first class. I was gonna go to another class, but I showed up and there's too many people. There's literally like 10 people standing. The class is like very crowded, so I'm probably not gonna get a spot. Because I was on the waiting list for all my classes. I got a spot for my first class. Be hi. Say hi, be hi. Everything. He's so ugly. Guys, don't roast me for having a home button. Ew, you're so ugly.
You're so pale, yeah.
Dude, you're pale.
Yeah, you look like paper. I need to restart my whole life.
Guys, comment down below right now. Who's pale? Dude, I'm so glad I got my eyebrows done. I fucking don't get ready at all right now.
I know, that's crazy.
We're going to our second class. Just finished my gap. I'm so tired. People are walking out. I'm embarrassed.
This is how shy girls in anime stand.
Shy girls in anime?
Yeah.
Me? I'm a shy girl in anime. Hey, Ethan. Ethan!
You want to go get soyful?
No, I gotta go.
Why?
Because you make me wait for fucking so damn
No,
long.
let's go get soyful. I'm so thirsty.
Then you pay for mine.
No! Okay, fine.
Can you close the door, Ethan?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I just got home from school. That was a very long day. I'm very tired. I had to pick up my brother and we went to get milk tea. But I came home and
He bought you it?
My brother bought me milk tea.
Yeah,
I buy
yeah.
him stuff all the time, so it doesn't really matter. So I came home and there's a package from Urban Outfitters because I recently ordered a bunch of things from Urban Outfitters, so I'm gonna open it real quick. I don't think this is everything because I ordered like $160 worth of things. Stop burping! I ordered like $160 worth of things, so I think this is just a part of it and the rest of it will come later. I hope so. I don't know what this is, to be honest. It might be clothes, it might be like photo albums because I know I ordered a bunch of photo albums. I love doing unboxings because like you can see my general like reaction. Genuine, not general, genuine reaction to stuff.
Stupid.
Ooh, I think these are the photo albums. Okay, so the first thing I got from Urban Outfitters is this little photo album. It holds a bunch of like Polaroids, so it fits Polaroids perfectly. And in the front it says photographic evidence that I have a life. I don't know, I thought that was funny. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. Look at it. You guys see it? So I got that, and it's so small. I did not expect it to be so small. So I got more of the little photo album, but this one's for my bigger camera because I have 2 Polaroid cameras, and it just looks like this. I don't want to take it out of the box because earlier it took too long. So it's like this, just 2 of them, and they hold my pictures. And then I got a planner because the planner was on sale, and I really wanted a planner, and this one's really cute, so I got one. Here. It has this thing on it, but I don't want to take the plastic off yet. It just says daily planner. What I like about this is that I don't use planners all the time. I hate the yearly ones because I know I'm not going to use like 70% of the pages. So I like getting these ones because these are daily ones and they don't really have like a set date on it. So I could use it like the next year or the next year. So if I stop using this at one point, I could probably start using it again at any point because it's the daily planner. I hate the fucking yearly planners. Even though you're like more organized in the yearly planners, I would never use them correctly, so yeah. And I also got a shirt, but I'm not going to show you guys because I'm filming a really big haul soon. Like, I ordered, like, it's probably going to be like an $800 clothing haul, maybe a $1,000 clothing haul. So that's coming soon, and I don't want to show you guys yet because I'm just going to put it in the haul. So today I'm probably going to be going out to Target to buy some school supplies, and I'm probably going to be working on a bunch of shit. I don't even know. Marshall's maybe, because Marshall has a lot of cute school supplies and stuff, and it's really cheap. I'll see you guys when I'm there. Hey guys, I'm back. I just got home. I bought a lot of stuff. I think I spent like $100, but I had a coupon, so we're good. I had to pick up some stuff from Target, and I had a gift card for that, and I also went to Marshall's to pick up some stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick. I'm gonna start off with Target. So from Target, first thing I got was some school supplies. So I got 175 sheet of paper, college ruled, because I'm probably gonna need this, and I do not know where I put my paper from the first semester, so got a new pack. I'm pretty sure this is like $1. The next thing I got was more supplies. I got these pencils, Papermate. These are like the only pencils I like, and they only came in a pack of 6. I couldn't find like a 1 or 2 pack because I really don't need this many. At least I have them now. It was like $12 for this, so it's like $2 each. I don't know, I really like these, and I probably won't be using any other lead pencils because I'm so used to using these. I've been using these since like middle school, so I'm not going back. I got some chapstick because I was low on some chapstick. I was about to film this haul in my car in the parking lot, but then it got really dark, so I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to film it in the parking lot because you guys wouldn't have seen me. But I got like a big pack of gum that I'm going to put in my backpack because I chew gum a lot at school. It's a 35 pack. It's kind of like a school haul because all of this I'm going to use for school. And also I got some coffee. So I got Starbucks Dark Roast, the bottle. I use this and I put it in my like reusable cup and I put creamer in it. And this is my creamer that I use. I use a different one every time. This time I got French vanilla. I got this new coffee because I never tried it. It's like black cold brew coffee. So yeah, there's no sugar added. I like black unsweetened coffee so I can add the creamer to it because I feel like if the coffee's sweet and I add the creamer, that's gonna be too sweet. And I got a couple things from Marshall's. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I've been wanting to start working out lately. I've been like on like a fitness, I guess, grind. Not really. I still eat very unhealthy and I don't work out yet, but I really want to start working out and eating better. So I bought a bunch of workout clothes. Not a bunch, I got like 2 sports bras and a pair of leggings. And I got a pair of leggings yesterday from Lululemon too. You guys will probably see that in my haul. But I'm just going to show you guys this briefly because I'm probably going to put it in my next haul. So I just got 2 sports bras. They're both from this one. I don't know what brand this is, but this is really soft. That's why I got it. It looks like this. And this is another sports bra from New Balance, I think. Yeah. So I got 2 gray sports bras because I need more sports bras because I'm going to start working out a lot soon. Not a lot, but like more often, I guess. And I got a pair of pink leggings because I thought these were really cute. And I need some more workout leggings because I have a bunch of like normal casual leggings, but I don't have workout leggings. And also, if you guys have like any favorite like workout clothing brands or that you like, let me know because I really like buying workout clothing because I feel like it's gonna make me more motivated to work out. So if you guys like anything like that, let me know. I know Gymshark is really good. I want to test out Gymshark because their leggings are so cute and they make the girls' butts look so big. The next thing I got were 2 buckets because I needed to organize my closet. I got this one to organize my pajama shirts and this one. I don't know why I got this. It was just really cute, so I got it. It's just like a crochet bucket thing. So I went to Target, right? And I saw something that looked exactly like this for like $25 to $30. And then I went to Marshall's and I got this for 10 bucks. So I'm really glad I got it because it's really cute and it's so, I don't know, it's so nice. The last thing that I got is not from Target or Marshall's. I was walking around the plaza and then I saw some little girls selling Girl Scout cookies, and I don't know why. I always buy from little girls because I feel like they're so happy when they sell it. So I got some Thin Mints. These are my favorites. I like Thin Mints or Samoas, but I wasn't craving Samoas. They're $5 now. I remember they used to be like $3 or $4 and they used to be a lot bigger than this, but I don't really care. You gotta support the Girl Scouts. I got some poke, so I got some rice, and then I got a bunch of cucumbers, avocado, salmon, shrimp, and crab. So yeah, that's what I'm eating. I really love poke. Hey guys, I'm probably gonna end off this vlog now. I'm getting really tired. I'm probably gonna sleep soon and get ready for bed. I hope you guys liked this video. It was a really chill day in my life video, I guess. If you guys want me to film more of these like day in my life videos, just let me know and I'll totally do it. I feel like they're really fun. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Today was cool. It was a nice first day back to school. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.